Bailar, bailar, bailar con mi corazón. Bailar, bailar, bailar con mi corazón.
What's up? Good morning, guys. As you can see, I am dressed. Getting ready to head to a boat ride trip thing. One of my good friends invited me to tag along. So yeah, I did not bring any cameras today. I did not bring any type of equipment with me other than my phone. If you know me personally, I hate phone vlogging, but you know, sometimes that's the best you can do.
Next line, turn left.
Thank you, Siri. I was extremely exhausted. I went to bed pretty early last night. Me and Emmanuel watched a movie. This was like maybe around like 9 o'clock. So the movie finished like around 10:30, 10:45 anyway.
Turn left onto US 13.
Got it. I went straight to bed, but your girl was still tired. I woke up this morning and was trying to get ready for this trip, and lo and behold, I am running a little late, and I hate that. I think I'm the one driving the furthest out to go to the festivities today, but hopefully like somebody else will be late too, so I won't be the only one. But yeah, hair is tied, ready to go. I had to make sure these edges were preserved until I got there. Fit is really cute. This is not what I was going for, but this is what we have, so it is what it is. But yeah, like I said, somewhat looking forward to it, because this event is forcing me to get to know new people. And if you know me, I'm very introverted by nature, and I pretty much have like a lot of walls up to a certain degree. Like I could be cordial and I could be cool, you know, I can mingle, but yeah, that's as far as it goes. And sometimes I can be so overwhelmed that I stay to myself, not realizing that. So I'm gonna try, you know, to mingle as best as I can with everyone. But yeah, so we're headed there now, and I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. Downtown, trying to evangelize. Me and Papa Bear. We're finished.
Yeah!
Run out here in these streets. What's up, guys? It is Saturday morning, August 27th, I think. Yeah, so I'm about to get an oil change. This is why I'm up stupid early after I was out late last night witnessing. Quick tidbit on that, it was an interesting experience. I realized that I feel as though I've lost some of my boldness as a believer, and that's something I need to work on. So I'm hoping that, that won't be my first and my last. I guess in that setting, because again, we were downtown last night where all the college students were getting ready to party. Some of them are already drunk, whatever. But it was a great experience. It taught me a lot. And just taught me that I need to have that same energy when I'm out and about, anywhere I go. Not just, it's important when you intentionally make an effort to do that, and like plan it strategically, but also to do that at all times, witness about the love of Christ. So yeah, it was quite the experience. We got back home around 12:30, and I probably didn't fall asleep till about 1:30, 1:45, so I'm pretty zoned right now. But I had to be here at 7 o'clock. It's currently 7:08 to get this oil change. But they have a 15-minute late policy before they cancel your appointment, so I'm about to go do that. The thing is, though, this was the only appointment they had available. I told my girl to put me on the wait list. Let me know if something earlier comes up. She never called me back. I should have followed up. But it's whatever. We here. We about to do this, and I'll catch you guys later. I think after this, I'm probably gonna go back home and take a nap, and then we'll see what we do from there. Beautiful people. So I'm back. As you can see, I look way different than I did this morning. Talk about a complete turnaround. We are. Excuse me. This is bothering me. Well, we are getting ready to head to the beach. I'm about to go pick up my friend, and then we are headed to Virginia Beach for today. We are leaving way later than expected, partially my fault. We were planning to leave anywhere between 9 and 10 this morning, but what had happened was that little nap I told you I was going to take turned into a full deep slumber, and she actually FaceTimed me, was like, "You up?" And I was like, what had happened was I was just resting my eyes, and I had rested my eyes long enough to be in the slumber. But that sleep was just so good. I had multiple alarms set, but your girl was just not trying to get up on today. Okay. But it's whatever. We'll get there when we get there. Prayerfully, the water will be nice and warm and cold at the same time. I like my water to be a little bit warm at the beach, not frigid, freezing cold. So, I'm looking forward to it. This actually might be the last beach trip of the season, of the summer. So, I'm trying to do it all up. I got my hair out here. I'm rocking the Beyonce wig. I've had this wig 4 or 5 years now. It's actually a half wig, so it's basically the equivalent of a headband wig without a headband, and it's through this ball cap over my head because it matches with my bathing suit, which we will see when I get there. But yeah, I'm just happy to live in the moment. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to this trip. We actually went to the beach way back in May, yeah, and the weather was disastrous. It was a hurricane on the beach. Granted, it was not cold or anything like that. The wind was just terrible, and the people were just sitting there there wasn't wind gust of 70 miles per hour. I was behooved. My girl was trying to put up a whole tent. I might insert the clip. This baby spent 20 minutes trying to put this thing together, and it has failed.
Well, it takes 5 to put it together, actually.
And the weather does not want to permit today with this 19 miles per hour wind speed and no sun. But we're here making the most of it. At this point, But yeah, it was a hot mess, and we was like, yeah, we need a whole beach do-over. So today is our beach do-over day. It's looking a little cloudy out here, but prayerfully it'll be nice and sunny by the time we get to Virginia. And yeah, So I'm almost to her crib, her house, her casa. Let me tell y'all how we were involved in an involuntary prayer circle. And it's not like we out here sinning. They just gathered us in the circle.
I might have said a little bit.
Oh, stop. So, you know, we just chilling, we vibing, we hee-hee, we laughing, we giggling. And we look behind us, right? And we see a table full of pizzas. I'm like, okay, share with them what we saw.
First there were pizzas, then there were people, and somehow we ended up in the circle of people when we turned around.
So we got to start off slow. There was the pizza, right? It was the pizza table and a 2-3 people. We're like, okay, cute. They about to have like a little pizza party on the beach. That's cute. We turn around like not even 5 minutes later, there is a whole circle of people behind us, like in a literal circle. Literal circle. Carrying, cavorting, didn't ask if we wanted nothing to eat, didn't say, do you mind if we come in your space? Like, didn't invite us into the space. They just took over our space.
Colonizers.
Literal definition of colonizers. A full example. Full blown.